Ever wondered how some YouTubers manage to upload videos daily, seemingly without breaking a sweat? What if I told you there's a way to run multiple YouTube channels without even showing your face? That's the world of YouTube automation. So, what is YouTube automation and how does it work? Let's dive in. YouTube automation is the process of using tools and techniques to automate tasks related to YouTube channel management. It's about delegating the day-to-day tasks required to manage a channel so that you can focus on high-level strategy and growth. Think of it as hiring a team of helpers for your channel. You identify the tasks that consume most of your time and then find ways to automate them, either through outsourcing or AI tools. The core idea. At its core, YouTube automation is about creating videos for your channel with minimal hands-on involvement in content creation. It involves setting up a system that creates and posts videos for you, automating the process to run independently without much effort. The goal is to manage and develop YouTube channels with minimal manual intervention, often by outsourcing content production. YouTube automation is often associated with channel owners not needing to present themselves visually in their videos. Instead, they focus on the strategic oversight of content and overall channel direction. This model emphasizes the technical aspects of channel management, such as optimizing titles and thumbnails, rather than the content creation process itself. Breaking down the process. YouTube automation involves several key steps. Niche selection. Identify a profitable niche with high demand and low competition. Content planning. Research and generate video ideas. 1. Identify content gaps that your channel can fill by researching your competition. Video creation. Automate video creation, editing, and uploading. This can involve using AI tools or hiring freelancers to handle tasks like scriptwriting, voiceovers, and video editing. Optimization. Optimize video titles, descriptions, tags, and end screens for search engines. Promotion. Promote and optimize your videos. Channel management. Automate tasks like scheduling video uploads, managing comments, and tracking analytics. Monetization. Set up various income streams such as the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, sponsored content, merchandise sales, or affiliate offers. Benefits of YouTube automation. Time efficiency. Automate tasks like scheduling video uploads, managing comments, and tracking analytics without constant manual intervention, freeing up your time. Consistency. Ensure your content is published regularly, which is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. Scalability. Handle increased workloads efficiently as your YouTube channel grows. Expand your channel's reach and content output without a corresponding increase in manual labor or time commitment. Reduce costs. Minimize the need for extensive human resources and significant time investments traditionally associated with video production, editing, and channel administration. 24/7 operation. Let your channel work for you around the clock. Tasks you can automate. Researching and generating video ideas. Creating and editing YouTube videos. Promoting and optimizing YouTube videos. Managing your YouTube channel and audience. Video scripting. Use AI tools to generate video scripts. Voiceovers. Employ AI for voiceovers to enhance video audio quality. Video editing. Outsource video editing to freelancers or use automation software. Thumbnail creation. Automate the creation of eye-catching thumbnails. SEO. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines. Scheduling. Schedule video uploads in advance. Community management. Manage comments and engage with your audience using automation tools. How to start automating your channel. Choose a niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and has potential for monetization. Market research. Research trending topics and keywords in your chosen niche. 5. Content strategy. Develop a content plan, outlining the types of videos you'll create and how often you'll post. Outsourcing. Identify tasks you can outsource to freelancers or virtual assistants. AI tools. Explore AI tools for scriptwriting, voiceovers, video editing, and SEO. Streamline workflow. Set up an efficient workflow for content creation and publishing. Monitor analytics. Regularly monitor your channel's analytics to identify trends and adjust your strategy. Monetization strategies. YouTube Partner Program. YPP earn revenue through advertisements displayed on your videos. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored videos. Merchandise sales. Sell branded merchandise to your audience. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on sales. Potential challenges. Copyright issues. Ensure your content is original and doesn't violate copyright laws. Avoid using reused content without sufficient transformation. Demonetization. Adhere to YouTube's guidelines to avoid demonetization. Maintaining quality. Balance efficiency with content quality. Avoid relying too heavily on automation without adding a personal touch, which can result in generic or low engagement content. Examples of YouTube automation. Tech review channels. These channels often outsource video editing and content research, enabling regular uploads without personal involvement in every step. Listicle channels. Many channels that create list-based videos use automation strategies to maintain growth and profitability. The role of AI. AI plays a significant role in YouTube automation by streamlining research and production. It helps with generating voiceovers, optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO, and enhancing a video's visibility on search engine result pages. Ethical considerations. It's important to use YouTube automation ethically. Avoid practices that violate YouTube's community guidelines, such as copying and reposting other creators' content or using bots to fake engagement or views. The future of YouTube automation. As technology advances, YouTube automation will likely become even more sophisticated, offering new opportunities for creators and businesses to engage their audiences more effectively. Embrace automation to streamline your processes and position yourself at the forefront of the digital content revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.